Zach, come on. You got it? You got your car bag?
Yeah.
Hanap niya.
Yeah, I told you.
Oh, that's Kuya found it. No, ginasa ni Kuya kung ano yung car kasi sinabi na ni Jan sa kanya. Ayan. Ito yung car natin na rinan. What's that? Are we gonna fit? Huh? Good luck. Alright. Sa front ako, okay lang. Kasi sa front tayo. Open it. Hindi siya man. Ayan yung car natin. No? Oh yeah, it's an unlock. Yan kasi. Hindi mo to car.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? It will fit, huh? Let me see. Kasi sabi ko, parang ang liit para sa mga gamit.
Bloody cruiser.
Ah, yeah. Malalim naman. Okay. Sisak na babuan na naman.
Is this diesel, Dad? No.
What? Petrol. Okay, one.
Lift this file seat down in there.
Oh, perfect.
No, we still got one more.
Yeah, Holly.
Um,
Oh, tama-tama
It
lang.
won't fit.
yeah, well,
It will. You think so? No. Yeah?
Like,
cool.
Okay, try. Just. Hala, hindi siya mabubuksan? Okay, oh good, let's go.
Nah, just,
What? Go this way first?
I wanna
What? Wait, don't go there yet.
just go in this car.
So careful. Then, where? Chine-check muna namin yung mga gas-gas kasi syempre kailangan i-check. May dent din. Ayan, may chip. Ayan. Get in the middle, Holly. Okay, na-check na ang lahat. Ah! Very low. Very low daw sabi ni Zach. Kasi ano sila, sanay sila sa malaking car. At least matry naman natin ganitong car. Okay. Oops. Huh? You alright?
Get in there!
You're so what?
Sideways, like
Sideways. Alright, alright. An hour? Aray ko. Yeah, ang baba. Hindi ko kita yung curve. Tingnan nyo. Ang baba siya.
Excuse me, but
Pink.
Jesus Christ, feels like my arse on the ground.
I won't even see where you have to turn off.
Oh.
yeah, we're on sideways.
Alright, you know how to drive this? Yeah. Oh, I cannot see though.
Yeah, we're down a hole.
I can see. Hindi ko na makita. Kahit siya nagagano, no?
I think you turn left.
What?
You turn.
Oh,
like,
the others were going out.
You sure?
Yeah.
no, like when you get out of it.
Alright, labas na tayo. Tingnan nyo, ang baw, hindi natin makita yung curve. What are you waiting, Han? To open?
Go.
Are they gonna...
Well, you meant to go. Yeah, everyone else went out this way.
You sure?
Go up a bit more.
There we go.
Yeah, here you go.
Turn left.
Left.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Kuya, where are we going?
It's telling me to turn left.
Yeah.
And we got
Maroochydore.
an Airbnb.
Yes.
Cool Airbnb.
Yeah.
It has a PS5 and all that.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does.
Does it?
Wow, excited yung mga bata
Oh, yes, I was.
sa ating Airbnb.
And then you turn left again. Yep.
Had a bloody drink.
Same.
Fuel.
I water.
Yeah, we have muna tayo dito sa Shell para kuha ng drinks. Sak. Red Rooster Sak. Mag-McDonald's ako. Nagutom ako. Nagutom tayo. Si Jen, nakita niya agad yung kanyang coffee. Ayan o. Doon agad siya sa coffee niya. Yes? Yes, okay. Yes, I do, love. May Krispy Kreme din sila. Sarado na siguro, yeah. Sarado na to. Bukas pa ba? Wala na. Pasara na sila. McDonald's na lang ang open. Tapos na tayo. Wala na yung mag-aama ko dito. Nandun na. Ito yung na-order natin. Frozen Coke Zero. Okay. Nasaan yung car? Hala. Ayun. Na-confuse ako. I got confused but inom na siya ng coffee. Found it? That the one? Hinahanap niya yung cross control.
Yeah, away. Cruise control, volume.
Okay, magpa-music na kami guys. Yeah. What's that song?
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter.
On your left. I don't see gate. Maybe that one? Dilim pa naman. Wala silang poste. Ay, here meron. That one? Bumaba si Jan para kunin yung key. Ayan ata yung ating ano. Ayan ata. Eto, yan. Yan yung ating Airbnb. 2 floors. And dito tayo magpa-park. Ang nasa harapan natin ay Chideng ang kanyang sasakyan. Tapos, hindi nyo nga makita. Maganda yung area. Ayan. Mga bahay din yan dyan. Nasa corner ata. Kung eto yan, yung aming Airbnb, nasa corner tayo. Nice house. Oh, ayan. Pasok na tayo. Yes. Gising na kids. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go guys. Laundry room. Okay, mag-house tour na tayo agad-agad. Toilet. Or powder room. Shoes. And ayan, going up. And this is our dining. Dining. Where's the light? Switch on. Okay, here. Lagyan muna natin tong ating water dito. Ayan yung lounge. Nice. Oh, sorry, yeah. Oh. Oh, i-on lang natin. This one, kuya. Please. And may beach towel sila. And couch. Ang ganda, ha? Nice. Nice color as well. May coffee maker, may capsules na sila. Oh. Han, ready for your coffee. Induction, toaster. Ang laki ng fridge. You can open your beer here, Han, as if naman. Ha? Oh, they have wine fridge here, honey. Anong tawag dito? Basta, pang wine to. Wine rack, fridge. Dalawang freezer. Ba't nakabag pa akong bigat? Lagay nga muna natin dito ang bag. You going up now? Oh, so okay, wait. Let's go. Pili sila ng room. The lights on, Han.
Huh?
Do they have lights?
No.
Brighter than this. Uy, you turn it off, Zach. Oh, that's it? Yeah, very dim. Okay. This is another bath. Bath yan, yung sa baba toilet lang. Toilet. Si Zach nangunguna. Oh, excuse me, Zach. We're gonna... This is I think this is us, Han.
No, it's not.
Yes, this one.
We're up this end.
There's the ensuite here. That single bed there, I think.
Only he's not getting the bathroom.
Do they have one more? How many rooms? This is us. 4 rooms. Oh yeah, this is us. Oh, look at Johnny Boy.
Where's the...
That's it. That's the light, Han. Oh, look at my bath. Oh, no. Bukas, ulitin na lang natin kasi mas maganda to bukas. Look at this. Ang ganda. May walking closet, shower. Yan nga lang. Hindi nga. Saan ang switch? No, tingnan natin. Alam na saan ang switch. Wala. Hindi ko alam. Pero madilim lang. Baka eto, pwedeng fan naman yan. Madilim. Another lounge. Which one is yours, Saki? Oh, it's malamig. Is this your bed? Uy, Baba. May sarili ka ng room. This is nice bed. This is nice size bed. What's that? What's that? Storage. Which one is yours, Zach? Oh, this is Zaki boy. Wow, Zaki. Nice. This is nice. Bed too, Han. Look. No, I mean the frame.
Do you have LED lights? Oh, yeah.
How come outside dark?
Yeah, us is dark.
I'll put them up there and
Ah.
see the pillars up here or something. And
Yeah, because you have too much pillow. Yeah,
that's a nice bed, Jack.
that's that. Wait, I'm gonna check Kuya. Kuya!
I was just checking.
Nice, yeah. Look at your room. What's that? Yeah.
That's cool.
Same as the boys. We can put your clothes here. We're gonna put it tomorrow so it's easy. I hope mayroon silang iron.
It's not all what I've done the name.
What's it? I'd like to check it.
I have to put my yung bago lagi ko. Hindi ko pa nalalapag doon. Yeah, this is a separate toilet and eto may bath sila and shower. This is nice Airbnb. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Ang dilim ng aming ano. Ano, bakit naman ang dilim? But nice bathroom, though. This is very nice.
Turn my house, yeah, like that, no glass, just
Yeah, go
get a bit
straight.
further, no, just a little bit further, just so no water gets out.
Oh, you don't want glass. Is it double shower?
Put it in where it's there.
I know there's no. I want door.
Don't talk about that.
I want door. Para baka maamoy ko naman yung ating ano dyan.
That's big enough.
But the light is the problem. We cannot.
What's this like?
Is
That's
it
got the best one.
Zachary?
Should be right though.
This looks small for you. Ayan, Johnny Boy. Access for the pausok. Kaso nga lang, madilim.
Turn the lights off though.
Oo. Can you put the lights on here? I know. Yun lang ang ano, yun lang. Madilim lang. Maybe this one you can do this? This.
There. No, that's the fan.
Ah. How about us? And may painting sila dito, oh. Nice. At least medyo wide yung ano, yung stairs. Try ko nga ulit dito yung aming light. Oh, this is outside. Kuya, good night. Huh? Yeah, there is a toilet there. You can go there. Good night. Ay, close the vlog na, babas. Okay, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. What time is it, Zach? What time? Where's your phone? 1:51. Okay. Good night. Good night now, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night, Holly. Wow, finally got your own room. Huh? Yeah. Yung luggage namin nasa garage pa, hindi pa inakyat. Okay guys, good night. Good morning guys. First morning dito sa ating Airbnb. Si Jan bumaba na. Hi Jackie, how was your sleep now? Morning. How's your sleep? Huh? Give me a big cuddle. How's your bed? Is it alright? Good? You sleep good? How about Kuya? Is he awake? Holly still sleep. Alam niyo ba si Holly? Kung hindi pa ako pumunta sa kwarto niya, hindi pa siya matutulog. Nag-aayos siya ng gamit. Mamaya punta natin. As in, naayos niya na yung, na-unpack niya na yung ano, yung mga damit niya sa luggage. As in, feeling niya talaga kwarto niya. Nakaka-excite kasi ano, gustong-gusto niya talaga yung kwarto. Pili niya talaga sa kanya. Inayos niya agad yung gamit niya. Nakatulog na kami. Anong oras? 2:10? 2:30? Sa akin, nandun pa yung gamit namin. Nasa luggage pa. Mamaya ayusin ko yun. Ang iksi ng tulog kasi yung blinds, hindi maganda yung blinds sa kwarto. Kasi makikita mo yung sikat ng araw sa mga gilid-gilid. Si Jan nga akala ni Jan alas 10 na eh. Kasi ang taas na ng sikat ng araw. Kasi ang liwanag na. Tapos sabi niya, it's not good the blinds in the bedroom. Sabi ko, I know. Kasi ang liwanag agad. Kitang-kita. Gusto ko pang matulog. So baka mag-grocery kami. Mag-grocery kami para meron tayong makain at makapagluto. So today wala pang activity ata. Bukas. Akala ko kasi magka-catch up yung team. today, like lunch. We'll see, baka mag-change pa. Kasi yung ibang ka-team ni Sak yung ibang ka-team ni Sak nag-arrive kahapon. Tapos kami today, hindi ko lang kung sino pa. Mag-text pala ako kasi gagawa raw silang WhatsApp para doon mag-communicate. Kasi ngayon, nagko-communicate kayo doon sa Facebook. Sa Facebook page, nagme-message sila doon. So, para mas mabilis daw WhatsApp. So, mamaya i-text ko yung number ko. Nakalimutan ko kagabi. Gabi na rin kasi nakapag-text sila. Tapos, naging busy na tayong maghanap ng ito. Hindi ko lang kung sinasabi ko. Tulog pa si Holly kasi pag gumigising yun, pumunta agad dito sa bed. Sa kwarto. Doon sa bahay pa. Yung heater, hindi masyadong nai-heat yung kwarto kasi nga open yung bathroom. So, hindi siya concentrated only dito sa area to. Na-spread siya papunta doon. Sabi niya dyan. Yun lang yung downside dito. Yung yung heater and yung blinds. Kasi nga, kitang-kita agad yung araw. Ano pa ba? Yun lang naman. Para sa okay. Well, we'll see. Yung ilaw. Kasi may lamp naman. May side lamps. Pero mas maganda sa kung mas na-adjust siya. Na dim tapos bright. Bukas ang first game. Puntan, mayroon ako narinig na bumaba at umakyat. Good morning. Ito yung PJs natin for today. From Peter Alexander. Ngayon ko lang ito ata nasuot. First time natin kasi nabili natin ito sa Queensland. So, ngayon ko lang siya suot. Where's someone? Go, yes, away. No, stop na.
What is how we get a closet?
I know, right?
See how I spray that perfume?
Ngayon pala natin maggamit yung toilet dito. Ginamit ko yung toilet dun sa kabila kagabi. Ayun yung lake. Kita niyo ba yung may tubig dyan? Ayun yung lake. Ayun yung veranda natin. So, pag naligo ka, dapat isara mo yung blind. Kasi, kita ka sa labas. Okay. Hihilang muna tayo. Notice ko dito sa mga toilet papers nila. Ito yung second na nakita ko kasi doon nga ako sa kabila nag-CR kagabi. Ayan. Parang nakastamp siya. Nakadikit yung kanina. Ay, hindi makita. Ayan. Tapos tingnan nyo. May mark. Parang na-stamp nila. Kasi hindi naman ganito ang not sure. Kasi sa amin hindi naman ganito. Na nakastamp siya. Tapos may mark talaga siyang iniiwan. Feel niyo. Yan lang. Napakita ko lang. Yeah. Nagyayaya na naman to. Oy, you're here na. How's your bed?
Good.
Is that better or yours?
Mine.
Mas maganda yung bed ng mga
more
bata.
cushiony.
Ano pa rin mga pillows namin, oh. Ha?
Mine's more cushiony and
More,
bigger.
more soft. No. This one is bigger. Alright, mag-ready na kami kasi. Alice. The hamper?
Yeah.
Yeah, I put my dirty clothes there already last night. This morning. Early.
That's how mine looks like.
Yeah, hindi ko pa sa inyo pakita yung kanyang closet. So, it's closet. Diyan naliligo siya na una. Si Sak naliligo. Tapos na. Si Kuya na yung next doon sa kabila. What time is it? 9:07. Nag-post ako sa Facebook. Sa Facebook, guys, nagpo-post ako mga pictures. And, yeah. And some reels, right, Baba?
Sorry.
Ano pa to? Tulog pandiwa nito. Hindi pa siya makapag-function. Mag-grocery tayo. Sino to? Sino yan? Sino ang papasok? Who's coming?
We have our swimming pool.
Ah, yeah, may swimming pool pa. Ipakita ko sa
Like an Olympic one. A long one.
like an Olympic one, a long one. Oh, look at... Oh, di na do.
Where do you want your deodorant at?
Just put it on top of that. Nasa bag kasi nila.
What are you wearing? Jack.
Shorts. Say good morning to my people.
Oh, yeah.
Did you? Did you? No, you didn't. Where's Kuya? I haven't seen Kuya. Kuya.
He's downstairs.
Downstairs? Oh, nasa baba na si Kuya. Tell Kuya to have a shower. What's that? Opo naman ang aking sexy boy. Look, I like that. I like your outfit. I like your hat.
Smells good.
Smells good? Oh my god, it smells good. Babe, your son, it smells good. Look at your son. Look at daddy.
What hat you got?
The bucket hat. Nag-thumbs up si daddy. Looks nice, ah. No. It's too sunny.
I think I will.
Ayan, have a shower now.
What?
Or
Why
bathroom.
didn't you come in last night?
You haven't seen this last night? You didn't come here last night? Sabi niya, your toilet is
You
blue.
go there now. Yeah, go down. I'll
It's
turn it
alright
off.
now. Kasi pag pumasok, kanina kasi si Sak naliligo. Tapos si Jam pumasok sa shower. Niya, sumisigaw si Sak na, Dad, get off. I'm so showering. Kasi lumalamig siya, ha? Lumamig yung shower niya. What, is it work?
You need a jumper.
I need a jumper. I don't need that. Hindi ko lang kailangan ng jumper. May pimple tayo dito.
What's that say?
Sunscreen. Oh, you like it?
You don't need sunscreen now.
Yes, you do, honey. Yeah. Si Jack kasi hindi ito mas-sunscreen. So parang dinadama yung mga bata. Nag-ano si Sak? May sa sunscreen si Oh, daddy hit again. His foot there.
Yeah.
Last night, how many times? 3? Tapos ngayon, sabi niya, I'm not getting this kind of bed. Sak, no, wrong. You always go out. Not like this. You're gonna get out. Not like this because you're gonna get wrinkles early. Like this. Stretch it out. From your nose, out. Not going from your ear to nose. No. You do this. And then here. I always put that in your
Well, then
bag.
I need to put my sun.
Si Holly may sunscreen dito
What
eh.
about my sunburn?
Yeah?
Lips.
Yeah, sunburn, yeah. Meron din siya sa lips.
Sunburn.
Say, Isaac, I just said don't do that. Always out. Not going this way. Yes, out. And then neck, upper. Up.
Up your neck. Who's next? No, let's
Honey.
go first.
Alright, I'm gonna have a shower now. Kasi slow daw
You
ako.
go first and you have a
No,
shower.
hindi ako slow. Matagal lang talaga ako.
She'll be ages.
So, base na tayo, guys. Hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. Ito, naligo. Ida-dry ko yung buhok ko mamaya. Wait, baba. I'm gonna face myself first. Then I'll do yours. Straight natin ang buhok natin. Ang ganda ng weather. May hangin. Pero okay kasi yung sun. Ang ganda. Blue sky.
Look at all my
Wow.
sunburn on.
Dadala-dala na talaga itong aking
I
ano.
want to see like it. Like, honey.
Ano siya? Tippy toes. You put sunscreen?
This is no.
Oh, you put your sunscreen first and then your stuff.
What about my skin?
What skincare do you
The
bring?
cream.
Yeah.
I'll put the cream
Pang
on.
baby yan guys, so huwag kayo dyan. Unahan ko na kayo. Alam nyo ngayon mga bata kasi di ba gaya-gaya. So meron na sila rin na clinic para sa mga pambata. Yung ginagamit niya pwede sa baby. So parang nilagay lang siya sa parang skincare din talaga. Yung pinupush lang siya. Nakita nyo na yan yung Everlove ba? Yan. What kind of skincare you have?
I've got Ever Ended.
Ever ended.
I need to wash this cat.
Here. Ano, this one.
See your face. Thanks. Okay. So first what I always add.
Di ba? Vlogger yan.
No, I am a vlogger. I have my own YouTube.
Oh, alright.
I put the kids' muted vitamin face cream on first. And then I just put it on my face. I put it under my eyes, on my cheeks, on my chin, on my nose, on my forehead, and then what is left I put some on my neck. Put the rest on my neck. Then I rub my face in first before my neck. Then I just rub it in. Then I rub in my neck. I just let that sit for a little bit. So while I wait, I do some dance. Dum, dum, dum. I need to wait until this dries.
So dyan gustong-gusto niya ang buhok kong ganito. Yung mahaba tapos straight na straight.
I'm going to show you what I always do when I'm in holidays. So I always bring my skincare. I bring my Summer Friday Poppy with me. I bring Spotlight Blush. This is from the Philippines. And this is also from the Philippines. This is Coraline Oil Control Blush on. It's not really blush, it's peach glow. It says there, peach glow. This is also from Philippines. I got the Trust the Sun Bum. I think this was in, I think that I got this one in Yamba. And I also bring my sunscreen SPF Ever Ended as well. It's my 30 SPF. You can see my lips are really dry. Look, Mum, my lips are so dry.
Yeah, put your...
I need to put this sunscreen on. Now my face is dry. I'm going to add my sunscreen. This takes me forever. Never mind. Plop. I also put this somewhere so if I know my face turns white. Sometimes when I add sunscreen, my face turns pale. But this time it won't. I just need to put lots on because it's really sunny outside. No matter what, if it's not sunny, I'd still add sunscreen.
That's right. Even you're inside
Because
the house.
it looks dark, but the sun is out a little bit, you still put sunscreen on. Because even in the house, even though you're not going outside, still put sunscreen on. Because the sun is coming in through the window into our face and body. Guys, look at my face. I rub kind of hard. Oh my god. Look. That's how much sunscreen I put on. And we're going somewhere. And I'm just doing my routine.
Okay.
I do this every day, even before school. But I don't put the summer Friday because you're not allowed makeup, and it's just like, this isn't makeup, it's just for your lips, and it makes it really red. Okay. I don't think my forehead has enough sunscreen on me. Yeah, and guys, this is a really nice place. My sunscreen is all rubbed in, but I need to let this dry as well. Okay, now.
Daddy? Kala ko motor. Daddy?
Yes.
Kala ko motor. It's a motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Then I have my sunbum. What's he doing?
TV yung akin. Na concealer.
Is that concealer?
Yeah.
You know what?
Capri.
Get free?
Kanyang shade. And Tibian din yung gamit natin ng brush.
Okay. This is what my sunbum looked like. This is watermelon scented.
Diba dalawa na kami nag-skincare? May dalaga na talaga ako.
I put one sunbum on this side. And
Mas
then,
magaling pa siya sa akin.
Mom, you can smell it.
Yeah.
My lips. I wish you guys can smell this because this smells really good. I put a lot of sunburn on because I don't want my lips to get burnt. Then on the other side, my hands are so slippery. I put on the top bit, this is the color.
The shade?
Shade. And look, that's how red it is. And then I just put it on the top here. This is the color of the Summer Friday. Guys can get this. I got this at, I think it was Mecca.
Yeah.
I got this at Mecca. And there's like so many flavors. There's cocoa, there's avocado, there's birthday cake. I think that's the new one now.
Popcorn? Do they have popcorn?
I think. Yeah, I think they have popcorn. I just rub my lips in. Like I'm wearing. I'm wearing sunbun for the lips, and I'm wearing Summer Friday for the color. Shade.
Pag nagkaedad-edad pa to, ang galing na nito mag-ganyan-ganyan.
What?
Kaya nga na-amaze na kung magsalita siya ng pag-i-explain niya kung anong nilalagay niyo. No, sorry.
They need a normal. If they like the color, they need to get it.
What?
If they like this.
Yeah. If they like the shades on you.
Oh my god, my toes hurt, but I'm gonna be so sure. Okay, I'm just gonna be, because my feet hurt.
What's that?
I've got no idea, I forgot.
What's this? Oil control blush on. You don't need that, Baba.
Yeah, it's just a little bit. Where are we going today?
We're going to look around.
Oh, God.
You don't need that. I don't think so you need that, Baba. You look alright. You look pretty now. Just put a little bit of this one. Yeah, you don't need that one. You don't need that. No. You have beautiful skin.
I don't want to get it on this. I'm going to put it here real quick. Oh, I dropped this.
That's why it's cracked. So yun yung concealer. Konting concealer lang tapos.
You just finished putting that on.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my sunbun lid's not on. I got to close this. Get ready with me and Mom.
Okay, what else do I need?
Okay, let's put my blush on. My face is so pale. I need to find my bone. 2, 3. Bone. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So guys, I use my hand to rub it in because I don't have nothing to rub.
Absidy?
City.
Absidy.
City.
Yung kanilang ano nga to, di ba? Yung glazing serum love bag.
This dries really quick, guys. Like really quick. Now I just look. That one's higher. So now I need to put some a little bit on my nose. There. I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I've now become. Okay. Then I'm gonna rub this in.
Nagsisipon-sipunan din siya.
Someone gave me this. They told me I could get it. Who was it?
Yeah, Carlo. Tito Carlo.
Oh.
And eto naman is Maybelline. Ano? Not Maybelline. Ano ba to? Kalimutan ko na. Hindi to Maybelline. Maybelline ba? I'm not sure ba? Ayan. Nagana to sa akin. Yung shade niya is 120 Artist.
Oh, my toys are numb. Okay. Next. What's next? So quiet.
You're done, I think. You're good.
Yeah, I know. My hair's drying, Mum.
I know, I'm gonna dry in a minute.
No, my hair's already drying. Guys, this is a big bathroom. And
Yeah, it's nice.
this is Mum and Dad's room. And I want to steal this. Dad can swap so he doesn't hit his foot on the
Ito yung
edge.
Dior.
Dior.
Hindi ko lang siya makita.
What's that one for?
Can you read?
Mum, can you turn that around, please? Dior, Paris, France.
What's the shade?
Lip Max.
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay.
It doesn't say shade.
Yeah. Basta. Yeah. Para siyang ano,
We got Wi-Fi here, though.
no.
Should be there somewhere.
Well, we asked.
That's in the book.
Haven't.
Come on. Around you.
Baba, when you apply this, you
big
have to
mirror. I
use-
think you're right over there.
It's too much. That's too much ng baba.
No, I'm
Not
making
too
it.
much on both.
Ha? Kung sintidor tong daddy, sabi hindi siya too much. But,
My hair's dried. Dad, can you stop doing that? You sound like you're drunk. Yo, make your lips just pinker. How much lipstick do you need?
4 layers, no? Nag-mix-mix kasi ako ng lipstick. Hanggat may
Looks like
gusto
you
na
put-
akong kulay.
It looks like you put lip
So, yun
filler
yung
on.
kulay niya. Ito yung airbrush ni Charlotte Tilbury. Is it?
Charlotte. Yeah, and Pillow Talk Blur.
Yeah. Charlotte Tilbury.
I have this, but it's a t-shirt. This one's a singer.
Wala akong ayun.
This is my full outfit, but you can't even see. So,
Where you get that from?
this is from, all of this is from Zara. Yeah. Tops from Zara, shorts from Zara. I got these in Adelaide. From Zara.
Ito yung nabili ko sa sa Yamba.
Whose is that? Oh, mine. Oh, yay, fancy.
Sabi ko, hiraman kami dito.
It's so cold.
Okay.
This is matching. Are these real?
Yeah. So don't.
How much do these cost?
No, forgot.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna get my squishies and wash them because they're really dirty.
Don't wash it. What do you wash mushy?
But I said squishy.
Ah.
Mushy? Not mushy.
Kalimutan kung saan ko ito binili. Online din. Ayan. Para siyang may pen na, parang sipit.
These are my squishies. I think this is a dog paw. This one, it's a purple one. Mum liked this one. And then capybara. Because like I said, it looks like a bear. These are tiger squishies, guys. So, yeah. Okay, these will still stay sticky. You need to wash them to make them sticky. So, this is the hand wash that came here. So I'm just gonna put that on. Oh my god, is this jelly? I'm just gonna rub it into the dog paw. Oh my god, that smells good. That hand wash smells good. Look at all that dirt out. This is so
Ako rin yung
satisfying.
outfit ko. All Sarah.
We're wearing all Zara today, Mum.
Mm-hmm.
I'm wearing all Zara. You're wearing all Zara. Okay, look at all of that. Oh my god, it's on my hands. Oh my god. God. This is how fast, this is how fast I think runs, and then this is how fast they run. This is really clean now. I'm giving it a little bit more wash. Oh my god, guys, this is a jelly. Oh god, I put too much soap on here. And guys, you can peel them paws off. But I don't want to because I might lose it. This just smells so good, this soap. It smells like lavender. Washing my hands with the paw. This gets in really soapy. There we go. Now the capybara, which is the dirtiest.
Ito yung mga dala kong sandals.
Where's mine?
Yours is over there. Ito.
Oh my god.
What's that?
That was yours. Flippers.
Yeah. And this one. Yeah. Meron itong protection. Yeah. Size 38 ako dito. And ito. First time ko itong sinuot nung hindi, second time na pala. Pang-apat pa lang itong beses ko masusuot. Okay, what I'm gonna wear, Papa? Which one do you think? Maybe this one?
I think them ones.
Or you want that one?
Yeah.
I like this one.
I like this one.
Hindi ba
I
pinapili
like
ko?
that one. I like that one.
Yeah, but this one is easy. Itong gamitin ko.
And that one is hard. Oh my god, that scares me. Guys, there's a hole in it. But whatever. Okay guys, now they're all clean. I'm gonna dry them. Make sure this towel's clean. I do it to wash my hands as well. So, yeah. That's the capybara. I'm gonna put it in the trash box. Oh my god! And then the pool.
Ito yung
Oh my god!
sa buhok. Yung ilyo. Then,
Mommy, be careful with my capybara.
ang
These
haba na ng vlog na to.
are my squishies. They're all
Yung deep pick to.
clean.
So, eto nabili ko sa Pinas. Pag-uwi natin. And then, eto dito to sa Adelaide. Nilalagay ko siya sa box pag nagta-travel kasi baka mabasag. Sayang naman. Ayan. Tapos sa buhok, same scent.
Guys, I'm really sad.
Why?
I'm running out.
Yeah, kasi walang tigil dito
I'm
mag-spray.
running out. My loading is in there.
Para tong si Sap. Okay, blush on na lang. And we're good. Tingnan mo. Ang strong ng amoy niya. Pero grabe siya mag-spray.
That's I only put.
Wala. They're getting us now. We have to go. Ah! Alright. Almost. We're almost.
I need to put everything back now, guys.
Yeah, put it back. We're done. I'm just gonna put blush. And then we're good.
Blush on, lipstick on.
Hindi. Ano, sipon-sipunan lang daw nga, sabi ni Ate Heart. Ate Heart.
Okay. I'll meet you downstairs, Mom.
Alright, see ya.
See ya. You're coming with
Ito yung Sunny's face. Tingnan nyo. Ay! Gamit na gamit. Okay. Okay na.
Because I think I do want you next to me.